name is Moses Kilero, teacher at Tilal Primary.
Religious and teacher in Tilal.
About the video we have just watched is that we have learned a lot. In that we have learned about the various types of fluids, body fluids, that can transmit the HIV virus and those ones cannot.
First of all, because I'm a teacher of Kiswahili, I like the way they translated HIV into Kiswahili VVU. So I never knew that, so that was a new thing to me to learn. So when I'm going to teach my learners, I also teach them about the VVU and I tell them about the mode of transmission. The use of latrine cannot make that, mosquito bites cannot do that. So I came to learn that a mosquito bite is not possible to transmit the HIV because a mosquito bites you but cannot make the blood to come at you. So that's in that one I really liked about that.
For example, the urine, saliva, we have been told that they cannot pass. And then we have the dangerous, those fluids which can pass, like the blood and vaginal and the genital organ fluids which can pass.
People had this myth that saliva, kissing someone, and then in exchange of saliva you get the disease. But now I have come to learn that saliva cannot make someone to get HIV.
This is all
I really like the way that teacher was presented because it was so procedural. We had the various steps that there were body fluids. We were taken to body fluids. The process where you can now know whether you are infected, check whether there are those body fluids. If they are not there, then there was another step. Then the last step is see the doctor. So I really liked how the doctor was so presenting, and I really learned so much about them.
And we are now able to go on with our teaching our peers about the HIV and AIDS.
The challenge that we face is the dissemination of information. The community lack these the articles that entails the details on this disease that is HIV. This community, you find that they are too much rigid to accept changes, to accept that HIV is a menace.
The challenges we are facing is that we have got little supply of the protective devices. Take for example the condoms to control HIV and AIDS, especially in this area which are very remote. So we have less access to such things, such facilities like the condoms.
So another thing that is a big challenge is about circumcision of breasts, which has actually contributed to the spread of HIV.
They don't know the know-how of how they can protect themselves against HIV and AIDS.
So lack of education in this area has actually contributed so much to this infection of HIV and AIDS. So I would like to appreciate the effort that you guys have made today going to us this program. We are very much appreciative, and I think it has actually worked a big difference in taking this mentality towards HIV and AIDS.
This is all Obama, but I just human and this is all.